First thing you want to do is grab your glad hand lock. Make sure you have a key, make sure it works. Then we're going to walk outside and lock out the truck. As we come outside, we see that the driver has already taken his air brake line off, so we're going to install our glad hand lock. Put it on, make sure it falls in place, make sure the lock locks. While we're outside, we're also going to make sure that the driver has chalked his wheels, which he has. Once you come back in, you're going to put your key for your glad hand lock in the lock box. You're going to close it. And you're going to put your lock on it and lock it so that way nobody can unlock it as you're in the truck.